All right, the first thing we're doing is we're working in Google Drive, guys. So you go to Google Drive, and what happens is, depending on whether or not you have anything in here, yours is going to look different than this because, again, this is what my drive necessarily looks like. Yours may not have all this stuff in there. But anyway, from there, we went to create, and we created a presentation. Okay, when you create a presentation, the first thing we did was title that presentation. So when you click up here, it lets you title it. Okay, we wanted that to be statistics. Okay, and so now you'll work on this the same way you work on a PowerPoint. Every one of you knows how to deal with PowerPoints. Insert, slide, format, arrange. There's tools, all kind of stuff that you want to put in there, guys. You just click on this and you treat it just like PowerPoint. I want it called statistics. I want your name, your period. And just like with PowerPoint, guys, you can change this stuff around. Let's see if we can't change the theme here. I want to change the theme to something different. So you just click on it. And this is entirely up to you. I'm not concerned about what you make the theme. Make it look like you want to. Make it look like something that's good to you. Obviously, when you do that, when you reset the theme, you might need to move some of this stuff around so it's legible or whatever. That's not kind of the magic that we're looking for. Here's the magic that we're looking for. This is what you guys did the other day. Okay, we published to the web. And when you publish to the web, what this does is it creates some HTML code that you can use to post that presentation anywhere. Also, guys, at this point, if here in Google Drive, if you have a PowerPoint presentation you made on a local computer and you wanted to upload it, eyes up here. Guys, you just click on that right there and you can upload a file or a folder or whatever for that matter. And you would just pick out what it was that you wanted to upload it, and you can upload it to Google Drive. That's where I tell you guys that even if you make something in Word, guys, you can put it up there and you can get it back down from any computer. Again, it doesn't matter whether you're behind the Gwinnett County firewall or not, because this is all occurring on Google servers. So if you wanted to get something off of the Gwinnett County behind the Gwinnett County firewall, here's some stuff that I had. Here's a academic condition PowerPoint that I made for basketball. So I could upload that and then ask me all kind of questions about how you want it to upload, and you tell it, and then look, it's there as a PowerPoint. So it puts it up here down at the bottom, and then now I could get to that. I could get to that PowerPoint. Do y'all see where it's at there?
Yeah, it's right there. Yeah,
Where?
It's above that.
Oh, right here?
No,
Right there. All right, and look, there's some theme stuff that didn't come through because the theme for PowerPoint isn't necessarily their theme here. So this says a bunch of other different stuff, but for the most part, guys, it'll come on and you can upload stuff. If you save it as this code right here. Now, one of the things I tried to show you yesterday is some of you guys posted it to your blog, and the theme of your blog isn't wide enough to handle it. So what I suggest you do is to change that to small, and then guys, you can pick here to have the thing automatically run and change every 30 seconds, every 5. Guys, that's stuff that you can handle. That's entirely up to you. Share this link. You could share the link on any of those things if you had something that you wanted to share with somebody for some reason or another. But what we were after, guys, we were after this code right here. Because if we take that code, we right click on it, and we copy that code, guys, we can now paste that code into other websites, and it'll show that presentation. I was talking to a student yesterday, and they're making a web page for somebody, guys. This is how I let like on the Parkview football web page, I run that. And so what I did for Coach Flo when he was here is I created a little window right there of a little presentation that he could control, and that he would change that, and then it would update automatically. Okay, and guys, that's what this concept is used for. Okay, and that's what we do. That's what you're going to do with the PowerPoint presentation. Again, what I want you to have, guys, is I want you to have 5 slides on your presentation. Your first slide, guys, your first slide is that name slide. Then you'll add 2 others that I'll show you in just a second. Okay, just to give you an idea of what the one that I created looked like. The one that I've created for the class for the actual presentation is here. Okay, there's my name of it. Here's my name. Then here's my 5 slides. There's my definitions. Okay, I want your definitions on there. The definition of mean, median, mode, and range. Then I want your data there. Guys, this data down here, that's what I want you to list out there. Okay, I need to see those numbers, because it's those numbers that you're going to calculate and make a histogram with. It's those numbers that you're going to use to make a box and whisker graph. Now we'll do these by hand. We'll do these points by hand. We'll do all that stuff just so that we learn how to do it. But guys, most of this stuff is going to be things that are calculated for you on either using the computer or using a calculator. That's what we did the other day. Have I got the idea?
Yes, sir.